Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, you will learn how to copy and paste text between Neovim and other applications on your system. Whether you are new to Neovim or an intermediate user, this guide will make your workflow smoother. Run this command to install xclip, a clipboard utility required for Neovim to access the system clipboard. Create the Neovim config directory and open the configuration file to set clipboard options. Add this line to your init.vim to enable system clipboard integration. This allows you to copy and paste between Neovim and other applications. Finally, open a file in Neovim. Can now use +Y to copy to the system clipboard and +P to paste from it. That's it. Now you can easily copy and paste between Neovim and other apps. Thanks for watching DelphStack. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Neovim and Linux tutorials.